Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into the world of precision cooking with the Nuwave Upgraded Induction Cooktop. If you have ever felt like your current stovetop is just guessing at temperatures, you are going to want to hear about this piece of kit. When you are looking for an induction burner, it usually comes down to three things: control, surface area, and ease of use. This Nuwave model manages to check all those boxes with some impressive technical specifications. Let us start with the design. You have a massive 12-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface, which provides plenty of room for your larger pans. Underneath that, there is an 8-inch large heating coil, which is crucial for even heat distribution. Nobody likes cold spots in the middle of their pan, and this design really addresses that issue. Now let us talk about the control. This is where this unit truly shines. It comes with a patented digital temperature probe and a total of 106 pre-programmed temperature settings. You can dial in your cooking heat from 50 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 575 degrees. The adjustments happen in precise 5-degree increments. This is fantastic for things like tempering chocolate or keeping delicate sauces warm, while still being powerful enough to get a serious sear on a steak. They have also simplified the interface with a new cool white digital display. It is bright, sharp, and very easy to read even under harsh kitchen lighting. The 5 presets make things even faster. You have low at 100 degrees, medium at 200, medium high at 300, high at 400, and a dedicated sear setting at 575 degrees. One of my favorite features is the ability to make adjustments on the fly. If you realize your food is cooking too fast or you need to extend the time, you do not have to cancel your program and start over. You just tap the buttons and the response is immediate. So, what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, the level of precision here is nearly unmatched in this price range. The ability to fine-tune by 5 degrees gives you professional-level results at home. The build quality feels sturdy, and the 12-inch surface is generous. On the downside, because it is an induction cooktop, you do need to make sure your cookware is induction compatible. If your pots are made of pure aluminum or copper without a magnetic base, they simply will not work. Additionally, the sheer amount of options might feel a little overwhelming to a beginner who just wants to press one button and walk away, though the presets do help mitigate that. In conclusion, if you are looking to upgrade your kitchen setup or you need a reliable secondary burner that actually gives you control over the heat, the Nuwave Upgraded Induction Cooktop is a stellar choice. It is efficient, precise, and built to handle everything from gentle simmers to aggressive searing. It brings a lot of professional capability to a home kitchen footprint. If you are ready to take your cooking to the next level, check out the information below. Link in the description.